Hello. In this video, I'm going to start taking you through the steps that you'll need to go through to create an image like the one you see before you. The hamster rolling across Times Square on a rainbow basketball. So you should have already watched the video on how to search in Google Images and also the video on the basics of um, PIXLR and the tools, the overview of the tools that you'll use to create an image like this, a collage in PIXLR. The first step is going to be to find the individual images that make up this entire image. And that would be the picture of Times Square, the hamster, and the rainbow ball. So I'm going to scroll over to Google. I've already searched for ball in Google image search. Just a reminder to click on Tools and select Large from the size option. If you're using a phone and you don't see that, do your best to find the tool option and select Large. Sometimes it's really hard to find on phones, and you'll just have to do your best to find that. If you can't, just go with what you got. Here's the photo that I selected, and you want to click on the photo. Again, if you're using a phone, it's the same thing. You'll click on it and it will show you a bigger version of it. And on your computer, it'll show you a bigger version on the right-hand side of the screen. Right-click on this larger version, not on the smaller version. These little photos are really low quality and will look really pixelated if you use them in your image. So don't use these little ones, but click here on the larger image, right click. If you're on a phone, you can click and hold, and it should bring up these options or something similar. And you want to copy the image. So copy image, go back to PIXLR, and open a new file. So File, New Image. And if you can, Ultra HD is the largest and best image size to use. But if you find that that slows your computer or phone or internet down, you can also do the Web 1440. And if that's also slow, you can go down to Full HD, and hopefully that works for you. I'm going to go with Ultra HD and click Create. And at this point, you'll just want to paste it. So if you're using a phone or a tablet, you can click and hold on your screen and it should come up with a paste option. Or you can go to Edit, Paste. And if you're using a computer, Command V is paste. Okay. And it'll paste the image in PIXLR. Okay, let's go and get the hamster. And for the hamster, I searched for hamster running cartoon because I wanted it to be a cartoon, not a real picture of a hamster. And there's the picture that I selected. Click on that. Again, it pops up bigger. Oh, and I already had it selected to large, but make sure that you've selected your image size to large. Copy the larger image and go over to PIXLR, Edit, Paste. And that's weird. So it's actually telling me that the edit paste command, it pops up real quick, but it says empty, try pressing Control V. So I'm going to press Command V, and there it goes. For some reason, the paste command in the menu is actually not working. So that seems like a glitch in PIXLR. If that's happening to you, again, Command or Control V, depending on your computer type. And or clicking with your finger and holding on the screen should bring up a paste option. Okay, and lastly, Times Square, empty, and once again, find your image. And if I can do this quickly, I will stay on the video. Otherwise, I'll just end the video and we'll find it. There it is. And again, I still have it selected to large. Copy that and paste it in there. Okay, so in the next video, we'll start going through the next steps. We'll talk about layers and go through the next steps to create a collage. I will see you there in the next video.